back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to lock your album in Grindr app. First of all, make sure you have already created the account in Grindr app. Let's get started. Open your Grindr app. This is your home screen. On the top right, you can see profile. Click on it. Here you can see options like edit profile, my album and mbox resources. Click on my album. In this folder name, you can see 3 dots. Click on it. Go to album sharing. As no one has viewed my album, so there is no one. But if you want to lock your album, you can tap on the person and do stop sharing. This will help you to lock your profile from that person. Thank you.